This AI 360 video is directed by me. Let's go to space.
This is a 360 video generated by Google Veo 3. This is also a 360 video generated by Veo 3.
Don't worry, I just got my driver's license.
Thank you for watching my AI film. I hope you survive the nuclear holocaust. Are we done yet? I am hungry.
Hey, what's up everybody? Kimchi here, our 360 AI filmmaker today. This is his official director debut. He's falling asleep right now. He worked pretty hard last night. But just to be sure, be kind in the comment, constructive feedback only. He is pretty sensitive. Okay, alright Kimchi, you're off the hook. Go play. So, that 360 AI video you just watched was generated using Google Veo 3 and then upscaled using Topaz Astra Beta. And yeah, it's not cheap. Kimchi spent about $300 to get that one result you just watched. It turned out pretty seamless. I think it looks okay. But it's still way cheaper and easier just to shoot immersive 360 video using an actual 360 camera like the installed 360 X5 right here, which is filming me right now. Personally, I don't use Gen AI in my narrative work. That's just me. But I also can't ignore how fast AI is improving. And if you want to stay competitive as filmmakers, we need to understand both the limitation and potential of AI, especially when it comes to immersive workflow. That's what this tutorial and the next one all about. I will walk you through the full workflow step by step. Google Veo 3 by itself is not ready to create clean 360 video for Vision Pro or Android XR or Meta Quest. You are looking at the original Veo 3 output right now, using the prompt that starts with the wording shot on a 360 camera. The end result maxed out in only 1080p, lots of optical flow artifacts, and worst of all, there's a giant stitch line right at the back of the 360 space. That said, Google does understand 360 and VR 180 format better than most, so Veo 3 is still the best AI solution out there we've got right now if you want to get anywhere close to usable immersive video. So we start with that, and then to fix it, we use a new Gen AI upscaler, Topaz Astra, to help film the missing detail. Think of this as Google Veo 3 as your control nets, Topaz Astra as your second Gen AI model, if you are coming from the old school conflict UI world. Before you upscale anything, you got to fix the ugly stitch line in the back. It's actually not that hard. What I do here is to reframe it to the back of the 360 video inside my editing software. I use Premiere, but you can use whatever works for you. Then I take a screenshot of that back view, the one with the stitch line, and I feed that into Google Veo 3 as a frame reference. Use the exact same prompt you just used before, and Veo 3 will generate a new version of that video. You take that, composite it back into the original video, and now you have got a seamless 360 video to work with. At that point, export it out in Premiere in 720p. And don't ask Veo 3 to upscale it for you. Its 1080p upscaler doesn't look that good. Trust me, write this tip down. Now, drop that 720p 360 video in the Topaz Astra. If the video looks more photoreal, I would go with precise, quality, and 4K output. But if the footage is more stylized, kind of like a CGI, I would choose creative, bold, and 4K. Either way, Astra will give you a cleaner and sharper result. There's one more step. Astra maxed out in 4K, so if you are preparing content for Apple Vision Pro or Meta Quest 3, you will still need to run it through Topaz Video AI to upscale it to a full 8K delivery. Then use this tutorial if you are preparing for Apple Vision Pro. And that's how Kimchi made his first 360 AI film. If you want to check out the full quality version, uncompressed and in Apple official APMP format for Apple Vision Pro, we'll get a free downlink over on Kimchi Patreon. You can watch it on your headset and see the full result for yourself. Now look, I'll be honest. Most of us filmmakers aren't exactly expert in prompt engineering, and figure this stuff out by trial and error get expensive fast. Google Veo 3 credit aren't cheap, Toba Astra isn't cheap neither. Kimchi and I probably spent close to $1,000 just to experiment to get this to work. So to save you the pain, we built a ready-to-use ChatGPT template that help you write better prompts for cinematic result in Google Veo 3. You'll be able to just plug in your idea and get a better immersive 360 output the first time. I will also break down exactly how I generate both the front and the back for 360 view, composite them together, and how to avoid that overcooked AI load that sometimes happen when using aggressive upscaler. It's all coming in the next tutorial right here. So Kimchi and I will see you there. Ciao.